ChatGPT voice chat not working? Fix it now. Let's start with step 1. Restart the app. On mobile, swipe it away from recent apps and relaunch. If this doesn't work, then try step 2, update ChatGPT. If voice is still not working, the problem may be an outdated app version. Open your Google Play Store or App Store. Tap the search bar, type ChatGPT, and open the official app page. Make sure you've installed the latest version. If this doesn't fix it, move to step 3, check your device settings. Go to your phone settings. Scroll down and tap Apps. Now find and open the ChatGPT app. Look for the microphone option and make sure it's turned on. If the mic permission is off, ChatGPT won't hear you, even if everything else works fine. If none of these steps work, uninstall and reinstall the ChatGPT app. Long press on the app logo, select Remove App, then tap Delete App and confirm. After that, go to the App Store or Play Store and reinstall ChatGPT. This refreshes all settings and usually fixes hidden issues. Now that your voice chat works, here are a few hidden ChatGPT features you probably didn't know. 1. Memory mode. ChatGPT can now remember things between chats like your name, preferences, and even past conversations. You can view or clear memory anytime under Settings Personalization Memory. 2. Voice styles. Try changing ChatGPT's voice tone. Tap the headphone icon, go to voice settings, and choose different voice styles, male, female, or expressive tones depending on your mood. 3. File uploads. You can now drag and drop PDFs, images, or spreadsheets directly into chat, and ChatGPT can analyze them instantly. 4. Screenshot summarizer. Take a photo or screenshot of a web page or note. ChatGPT can summarize it instantly using image understanding. And that's it. You've fixed ChatGPT voice chat and learned a few hidden gems along the way. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss the latest AI tips from Tech_Simplix.